A walk and talk video or clip is just you walking along talking into the camera like I'm doing right now. DJI just released a new version of their Mimo app that includes a teleprompter that solves the problem of how the heck do you remember the entire script you wanted to speak into the camera. The great thing about this new Mimo version is that it is compatible with most of the legacy Osmo Mobile gimbals. In fact, I'm filming this video today with my Osmo Mobile 6 and an iPhone 17 Pro. You don't have to buy any new hardware. If you already have a DJI gimbal, you just need to update the app on your phone. The DJI release notes would suggest that this feature was introduced in Mimo version 2.7.4. I made this video with the latest version, which was 2.8. You access the teleprompter feature from the settings menu, which used to be the 3-dot ellipsis, but is now a square of 4 dots. That brings up a pop-up menu, and you tap on the teleprompter icon in the upper left. There are 4 controls in the semi-opaque teleprompter rectangle, plus an X to dismiss the teleprompter. You can also use any of the camera controls while the teleprompter is on. The 3x3 dot grid on the upper left allows you to drag the teleprompter up and down on the screen. The T in a box at the lower left is the script chooser or switcher. The pencil on the lower center is the script editor, and the control sliders at the lower right allow you to set scroll speed, font size, and background opacity. To start recording and roll the teleprompter, just choose a script in the switcher, then tap on Start Capturing. The script will start to scroll when you start recording. And of course, it'll stop scrolling when you stop recording. While recording, you can scroll the script up and down using your finger if it's going too fast or too slow. To create a new script, you just use the Notes app on my iMac or iPad where I have a keyboard. Then when I'm ready to record, I copy the script to the clipboard. Then go into the script switcher in Mimo and tap New Script at the bottom of the screen and just paste your whole script in. Do not back out of the script editor at this point or you'll lose your script. It won't save it. Instead, tap Start Capturing and it will save it. To start recording, use the front camera, turn on tracking, and tap the record button. I recommend you pull out the extension rod on your gimbal to get a full headshot and hold up the camera slightly above your head. And that's how to create a walk and talk video or clip using your Osmo Mobile gimbal to stabilize and track your head while reading your script from the Mimo teleprompter feature. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something on this video.